we have an iPhone 6s Plus. So I bought this phone off eBay and the touch display is not working and the screen is also cracked. So let's go ahead and unscrew. And we're gonna cook the phone. And now that it is done cooking, we will go ahead and get our Jimmy tool and pry it open. And we're inside. First things first, we need to unscrew the battery and take the cover off so we can unplug it so we don't fry the phone while we're working on it, because that would be bad. Now that the battery's disconnected, I will now go ahead and work on disconnecting the display so we can transfer the components onto the new screen. So we will go ahead and unscrew. And take the cover off. And now we'll unplug the display and the front panel connectors. Alright, now that the old screen is free, we will go ahead and prepare the new screen to be installed onto the phone. The screen came with a very cheap case and a cheap screen protector, which was a surprise. Now we'll go ahead and remove the front earpiece module, and we will also take off the back plate for the screen and put it onto the new screen. I'm going to leave an Easter egg in this one, so if this is your phone, make sure you comment below. We'll go ahead and start by putting the old components onto the new screen. We'll start with connecting the home button ribbon cables, and we'll screw it in to secure it. I wasn't able to film me putting the earpiece onto the camera and everything like that. And we'll go ahead and plug in the display cables as well as the battery connector. Now we'll go ahead and screw in the plates that secure the connectors. We'll get that crunch. And we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're new. And make sure to comment down below if you would like to see more. Peace.